Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to create Twitter account in 2024. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up the Twitter after you download it. Next up, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just click on my avatar icon at the top left corner. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and to proceed to create an account. Now you have two options. You can continue with Google and you can continue with Apple. Much easier if you have an account and it will log you inside the Twitter or X account. Now, if you want to create your own account with your own email and your own password, just click the black button, and you're gonna start naming, putting your name, phone number, or email address, and date of birth. Okay, and make sure that is the correct date of birth, because you probably will be exposed to be your account, for your account to be locked. So in order to proceed, you will need to have the correct birthday. So let me just type in my phone number. I'm gonna get back to you. Next up, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hit next, or you can use an email instead if you wanted to. Let me just add another email. Okay. Next up, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just hit next after you adding your phone number or your email. And if you want to track where you see X content across the web, you could just toggle it on. If you don't want to, just toggle it off. Move on to the next step, and you're gonna just hit next or hit sign up. Sorry, and now you will create your own account inside the Twitter space or the Twitter X. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.